Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be showing my Neo Noe in the Rose Poudre color. I bought this in December of 2019. I do own the one with the black interior, the noir interior. So here's just a shot of the inside of the bag. I have a poof ball in here. I like to wear this on my bag to accessorize. I do not keep this on my bag when the bag is not in use, because what I've noticed is that because this hardware is just a cheap, whatever it is, metal, when you leave it on these grommets or these rings on your Louis Vuitton bags, it actually discolors your Louis Vuitton rings. So I would advise, like these secondhand market type of accessories that you get for your bags, do not leave these on your bags because they will turn the rings on your bags different colors. So I always take mine off and just leave them stored in the bag instead of leaving them on the bags, okay? And then I don't have anything else in here but the straps that go to the bag. So here is the main strap that goes to the bag, the crossbody strap. I always leave it like this. I wear it as a shoulder bag because this is too long for me as a crossbody because I'm only 5'3", and this bag is too bulky in my opinion as a crossbody bag. So I don't like the bulkiness of it as a crossbody bag. So that's one of the downfalls I feel, or the cons to this bag, because it's just so bulky. So I don't wear it as a crossbody. But I got a new strap in today and I wanted to accessorize my bag. I'm so excited about this strap. I purchased, let me show you my old one that I purchased to carry it as a top handle. I love, love, love carrying this bag as a top handle. It is so sexy and so girly and just perfect for all occasions. And the fact that it's pink, obviously you all know I love pink. So this handle here, and it looks great with the bag. I love the smooth texture of the handle, but the pink is a bit more on the bubblegum pink side, and the rose poudre that is in this bag is muted. It has a, I don't know, some type of bluish like undertone to it. So it's a lot, it has more of a rose color to it. That's the best way I can put it. So I wanted to get a different strap from this one. So I purchased this one here. And they have these straps on Amazon. This is how the strap looks. It is the braided strap. You've seen a lot of people, you know, have these braided straps to go on these Neo Noe bags, and I'm telling you guys, this strap is like made for this bag. Like the color is so perfect to the rose poudre color. Like it's such a exact match. I mean, it literally was made for this bag, and I love the glazing on this. Let's see if I can do it like that. I love this glazing on this handle because it matches the glazing around the bag. So, and it matches the glazing that's on the pull tab here. I mean, you guys, it just looks like it was made for this bag, okay? So let me put this on, and then I can show you guys how this looks with this handle, okay? So I'm gonna give you close-ups of this handle and this bag. It is stunning, you guys. Oh, it's stunning. Alright, so let me go ahead and finish accessorizing my bag. So when I wear this bag, I always use this poof ball, and I put it on the side like that. And what I have is some accessories I like to wear with this bag. I have this Louis Vuitton Rosalie coin purse. I love to wear this with this bag right here. Now this color in here is the Rose Ballerine, so it's a lighter pink. It's not the same color pink in this bag, but who's checking that closely? Nobody. So I still like to wear it. And then I have my Coach accessories that I can also wear with this bag. I have this. This is like the zippy coin purse that Louis Vuitton makes. I was wanting a zippy coin purse, but I did not get the Louis Vuitton one because I'm just kind of, I don't want too many Louis Vuitton accessories. I prefer to buy Coach. And so I really love this one. Same capacity as a Louis Vuitton one. Pink interior. This one has silver hardware, which I'm okay with. I don't mind mixing like metals and different things, especially considering it's such a small piece with the metal. It doesn't really make any difference. So I like to wear that with it. I have my pink eyeglasses case that I like to use when I carry my pink bags, because I love to have pink accessories in my bags. And since I have to go to work this evening, I have my Coach lanyard. I bought this so long ago, you guys, and I have my ID in there. It's turned around. But I have my Coach lanyard. This is also in the silver hardware, but I love that this pink is also this muted color. It's very similar to the pink on this bag, so I love to carry my Coach ID with that. And then of course I have my strap that goes on the bag, but I also have this strap. Now guys, don't kill me. This is not an authentic Louis Vuitton strap. But I did pick this strap up from an Etsy shop. And I'll try to link the shop below that I got this from. But I bought this like faux, fake, dupe, replica, whatever you want to call it, strap to go on this bag. And I actually didn't buy it to go on this bag, but because I don't think that the colors really go, but because the pink is on the inside of the bag, you know, nobody's really gonna know. I think it's showing up backwards just because of how the camera is, but, and it has this, I don't know if you can see this, but the grommets on the sides of here, these little handles, it's too little to show, but my camera won't focus, but it actually says Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to hook this on as my longer strap instead of the other strap, and then I'll show you what that looks like up close. Alright guys, that's really gorgeous right there. Now this this strap has vachetta on the sides, and I know that my bag doesn't have vachetta on the side, so that's why I did not get this to go with this bag. But you know, I figured I could still carry it with the bag because I still love it. So, but this is my short video on me accessorizing my bag and the accessories that I like to use in my bag. Alright guys, so if you have any questions about any of the items in this video, definitely leave it down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.